Pro.
We all get one.
It's not on us, it is on them.
I'm going in. Hi, we're here for
the unlimited plan, $25 a line.
Yeah, and
iPhone 16 Pro, one for each of you.
Yeah, but it's
on us. We got you.
Right now, every family gets our best price, $25 a line and iPhone 16 Pro with Apple Intelligence. Get 4 on us, only on Verizon.
that was actually easier than we thought.
This is the 2025 Amber Alert Siren test. This is only a test. As part of Federal Emergency Preparedness Week 2025, the state of Southlands is testing its Amber Alert Siren, which will play during official Amber Alerts. This is only a test. There is no actual emergency. This concludes this test. For more information and resources, visit southlands.ui.gov/emergency preparedness.
Savings on Whirlpool appliances. Get refrigerators with space for everything. To the Batmobile. And laundry that fans and tumbles even after it's done. So it's still fresh when you're ready to grab it, whenever that might be. Get free delivery now at the Home Depot.
Bounty Mega Roll.